In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create YouTube thumbnails in Canva, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Thumbnails play a huge role in getting more clicks on your videos, and the good news is, you don't need any design experience or expensive software to make professional-looking thumbnails. Canva makes this process incredibly simple. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. If you already have a Canva account, go ahead and log in. If you don't, you can sign up for free using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva home screen, where you'll see different design options and templates. From the Canva homepage, look for the left-hand menu and click on the option that says More. This will open up a wider list of design types that Canva offers. In the search bar that appears, type in the word YouTube. As you type, Canva will start showing different YouTube-related design formats. From the list, click on YouTube Thumbnail. This is important because YouTube thumbnails have a specific size, and Canva automatically sets the correct dimensions for you, which saves a lot of time and effort. Once you click on YouTube Thumbnail, Canva will open a new design screen. Here, you'll see a wide variety of thumbnail templates on the left-hand side. You can either choose one of these professionally designed templates or start from a blank canvas if you want to create something completely from scratch. For beginners, I highly recommend starting with a template because it already has good layout, colors, and text placement. In this example, I'm going to select a template. Click on the thumbnail template you like, and it will load into the editor. Once the template is open, click directly on any element you want to change. This could be text, images, backgrounds, or icons. When you click on an element, the toolbar at the top will appear with editing options. You can change the text by double-clicking and typing your own title. Make sure your text is bold, clear, and easy to read, even on small screens. To change images, click on the image and either replace it with your own uploaded photo or choose one from Canva's Elements and Photos section. You can also adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and effects to match your channel's branding. Take your time here and experiment, because Canva lets you undo changes easily. Once you're happy with how your thumbnail looks, it's time to download it. Click on the Share button in the top right corner, then click Download. Make sure the file type is set to PNG for the best quality, and then click Download again. Your YouTube thumbnail is now ready to upload to your video. And that's it! You've successfully created a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.